Phil Knight. Come to the rescue. It's on April 25th. It's at Pioneer Courthouse Square, just a hop, skip, and a jump away from Beaverton's Nike campus, where you might be. It won't take too much time, but you know what you'll be doing? You'll be helping me and hundreds, perhaps even thousands of others in Portland to make a difference in the lives of thousands of people in Uganda and in other parts of Eastern Africa who have been affected by a 23-year war. Now, what you'd be doing is you'd be coming and you would be our mogul, which means that you would be coming to make a statement against the war in Uganda, and that's going to make a big difference. So I'm asking you again, it's April 25th. Come, be with us, make a statement to the press, make a statement to the world that this isn't okay. All you have to do is go over to that information bar over there and check out the video that's made by Invisible Children, and then contact them and tell them how you're going to be there, because I know you're going to be there. P.S. My name's Kelly Rikers, originally from Eugene. I know you're a fan. Now I'm relocated to Portland, which is close to Nike campus, which is why I moved up here. Can't get enough of Nike. Thanks a lot.